Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys this beautiful box braids wig from NeatandSleek, and this style is called Monique, but if you check out their website, they have so many other beautiful braid styles for wigs, and they are fully bleached and pre-plucked, and so it's actually very beginner friendly, and it's so natural, it's so easy. And for those that love the braids hairstyle like I do, but don't want to go through the long hours of sitting there getting your hair done or the pain and the tension, this wig is absolutely perfect and so beautiful. And what I also did was I dipped it in some hot water so that the braids can come out nice and straight, because sometimes when it comes to packaging, the braids can get a little folded and you can just kind of take out any wrinkles or bending of the wig. Okay, so now let's get started and put this wig on. I'm going to start off with a wig cap, and then what I love about this wig also is that it comes with an adjustable elastic band inside the wig, so it fits perfectly on the head. So I'm going to make sure that it gets adjusted, and I don't have my hair in cornrows, unfortunately. I just put a little bit of twist in my hair and put it in a bun. So this wig still stays pretty flat on my head, but it could definitely be much flatter. As you can see my face expression, I'm just so in shock. I've never seen a wig look so natural and have it in braids, and I just so happy because you guys don't understand like how much pain I go through when it comes to getting my hair done with braids and how long it takes. And I'm just so happy that they just have something like this, because I'm gonna keep wearing it, and it was actually pretty easy to put on. So what I did here is I actually adjusted it again on my head because I moved the wig cap closer to my hairline, and then I proceeded to go ahead and put on some Got To Be freeze spray. So I've been still playing around trying to perfect slaying a wig, and sometimes I use the Got To Be glue, sometimes the freeze spray, sometimes both combined together. So you're gonna see how I'm still trying to perfect it, you guys. I'm still a beginner. I'm so used to just using bobby pins and wearing glueless lace wigs, so bear with me, you guys. And I also tried something different this time as well. Usually I cut the lace first and then glue it onto my scalp. This time around, I just did it while the lace was on, and then I'm going to cut the lace after the freeze spray glued onto my scalp. So after I applied a few layers of the freeze spray onto the hairline, I'm gonna go ahead with a blow dryer, and I put it on medium-high heat, and then I'm going to just kind of hold down the sides. The sides for me are like the most complicated part to kind of keep the wig down, so I make sure to use like extra glue on the sides of my hair. And then once I do that for a few more minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the lace. And so when I'm cutting the lace, I'm gonna make sure to stay as close as I can to the hairline. And as you see, there's a really thin braided hair beside the hairline, and that is where the baby hairs are. So you're gonna see later in this video, I'm going to take apart the braid, and it comes with really long baby hairs that I'm gonna for sure cut and then style it on. And so now you see me tying a satin scarf on a hairline just to kind of further secure the wig onto my head. And this is usually really good, you guys, because this makes my wig kind of last like at least for the next like day or so. Okay, so now you're gonna see me cut the baby hairs. They are very long, so I made sure to cut the majority of it off. And then you see me here putting on some gel on the baby hairs, and my setup is not the best, you guys. I was holding this really small mirror, so I didn't realize how I didn't cut the baby hairs evenly, but you will see at the end of the clip that I do fix that. And so yeah, I'm just using a brush to kind of, you know, make the baby hairs look more natural. And I do kind of pluck some of it out as well to not make it look as bulky. But again, you can adjust it to the way you like your baby hairs. But the beauty of this wig is that even if you're not a professional at laying down your lace wigs, it is so well designed that it's pretty forgiving. And I'm just kind of playing around with it right now, trying to see kind of what style I would like these braids to be in, side part, middle part. And I'm just super excited. I can't wait to try out different hairstyles like top knot buns and half up, half down. And so yeah, I apologize, you guys, because I also realized that I didn't cut like the baby hairs evenly, and I was using like the monitor on my camera and that small little mirror at the same time. I should have just basically you know, went into the washroom and did it, because I didn't realize how uneven it was. But you're gonna see at the end of the video, you're gonna see photos of me with this beautiful wig and how I fixed everything on it, the hairline. And again, I'm still a beginner on installing the wig. I'm not a professional at this, and I can't wait to master it. But I really just most importantly wanted to show you guys how beautiful and natural this braided wig looked like. And I'm sure you guys will do an amazing job on slaying the install of this wig and to make it as natural looking as possible. And I also noticed off camera that you can kind of see like the wig cap, and so I didn't place it properly. So all I did was I just put a little bit of concealer after the fact. So you're gonna see again in the photos that it looks super natural, and you don't even really need to wear a cap. Like that's how beautifully bleached and plucked like the cap is. And so yeah, so basically this is the wig. It's super beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. And here you're gonna see some beautiful photos of this wig, and to be honest, it looks so natural in person. Nobody could even tell that this is the wig. So again, you guys, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know in the comments below what do you guys think about this wig, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.